Nakoy nakastorya ba? Ang mindset nila when it comes to investing is pananaw nila is mo earn dapat kadayon-dayon. Ang investing, ladies and gentlemen, is not a fast track. It is what we have to do with our money para ma-maintain ang atuang wealth. Dili mo depreciate ang atuang kwarta, rather over time, kay musaka ang value sa kwarta tungod kay nag-invest ka. Naamagod tay thinking na pag mag-invest ta, kay dagko dayon ang atuang earnings in a short span of time. There are other investments na potentially makahatag og inana sa imuha, but most of the investments dili inana. It will take a lot of capital for you to make a lot of money. It will take a lot of time for you to feel the growth of your money, and it will also take a lot of your effort because you also have to understand kung unsa ning investment na imuhang plano sudlan. Tanggalo nato ng mindset ba na pag mag-invest ka, automatic dagko din kag returns. Kailangan siya og time for you to plant para ma-reap nimo ang rewards puhon. So that eventually, the passive income that we get from our investments, kaya na niya pulihan ang atuang active income, which is kanang atong panrabaho, para mas kinadili na ta manrabaho, naaga puntay kwarta na makuha. Mauna ang goal, pero dili siya ura-urada. Sa imuhang opinion, unsa ba ang pinakanindot na investment? Ibutang daw sa comment section.